Hello everybody. Prepare to be terrified as we unveil the top 5 scariest space discoveries that will send shivers down your spine. From cosmic anomalies to mysterious phenomena, these chilling revelations will challenge everything you thought you knew about the universe. Get ready for a journey into the darkest corners of space. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we have black holes. These monstrous entities possess gravitational pulls so strong that not even light can escape their clutches. The sheer magnitude of their power and eerie depths they create in space are enough to send chills down your spine. Holding steady at number 4 is the concept of dark energy. This mysterious force is believed to be accelerating the expansion of the universe, pushing galaxies apart. The unsettling idea that our universe is being stretched further and further into the unknown is enough to make your heart race. Brace yourself for a bone-chilling encounter at number 3, gamma ray bursts. These immensely powerful explosions release vast amounts of energy, dropping anything you can imagine. The sheer destruction and the unpredictable nature of these bursts make them one of the most terrifying phenomena in space. At number 2, we have cosmic collisions. The threat of colossal asteroid or comet colliding with Earth possesses a chilling reminder of our vulnerability. The cataclysmic impacts and potential devastation they can cause make us actually aware of our place in the vastness of the cosmos. And finally, claiming the top spot at number 1 is the concept of vacuum decay. According to some theories, our universe could be in a precarious state where a catastrophic event called vacuum decay could occur. This mind-bending concept suggests that everything we know and love could be obliterated in an instant, leaving us in an internal void. Thanks for watching.